BreachRx transforms the way businesses comply with cybersecurity, privacy, and data breach laws with launch of new automated analysis platform. Cyber RegScout helps legal and compliance professionals eliminate manual processes, drive more organizational value, and dramatically reduce regulatory risk. This is the BreachRx blogcast. San Francisco, BreachRx, the leading automated incident reporting and response platform for enterprises, today announced the launch of Cyber RegScout, an industry-first product purpose-built to automate cybersecurity, privacy, and data protection regulatory analysis. Built on BreachRx's award-winning platform, Cyber RegScout empowers businesses to significantly reduce the time burden and compliance risk associated with today's increasingly complex regulatory environment. Incident response is no longer just a security problem. With a minefield of new regulations popping up daily at the local, state, and national level, it's quickly become a problem across the entire enterprise, said Anderson Lunsford, CEO and founder of BreachRx. Our mission is to help security, legal, and compliance teams take back control of privacy and cybersecurity incidents. Cyber RegScout was purpose-built from customer insights to drive even greater productivity gains and further reduce the impact of incidents and data breaches. Businesses typically rely on generic spreadsheets and lengthy research summaries to determine which regulations apply at any moment for any given incident. With the exponential increase in the number of privacy and cybersecurity laws enacted globally, keeping current is a full-time job that wastes valuable time better spent on business priorities. With Cyber RegScout, teams eliminate this burden by automating their research with an up-to-date, comprehensive library of regulations, actionable intelligence, and insights that are always current. Cyber RegScout helps automate privacy and data protection regulatory analysis. With its in-depth coverage of every regulation, actionable insights about each jurisdiction, and what is needed to accomplish by when, companies can proactively mitigate a growing risk, said Alexandra Ross, Senior Director, Senior Data Protection, Use and Ethics Counsel at Autodesk and Strategic Advisor to BreachRx. The future of work demands solutions like this that combine automation and expertise. According to Gartner, 75% of the global population will have its personal data covered under privacy regulations by 2024. This translates to a regulatory burden for enterprises of nearly 200 different data protection regulations worldwide, including distinct laws in each U.S. state and several federal government agencies. Executives are directly in the crosshairs of regulators, with numerous notices and directives recently issued to C-level leadership after data breaches. In today's constantly evolving regulatory environment, Cyber RegScout serves as a foundational step in evaluating a company's risk posture, said John Dombrowski, Associate General Counsel of Compliance and Intellectual Property at a well-known retailer. Whether your company is expanding a product's capabilities or moving into new geographic markets, proactively addressing risk mitigation helps leaders get comfortable and informed ahead of any incident the company may face with its data. Legal professionals are embracing accurate, timely, and easy-to-use technology like Cyber RegScout to succeed in their roles. Learn more about BreachRx Cyber RegScout at breachrx.com and sign up at regscout.breachrx.io. About BreachRx. BreachRx is the leading automated incident reporting and response platform for enterprises. The company's suite of products is used by security, legal, and compliance leaders to overcome one of their biggest challenges, mitigating cybersecurity and privacy incident risk. Teams automate their incident response program and run cyber tabletop exercises with playbooks tailored to the company, its security operations, compliance requirements, and regulatory reporting obligations. With the addition of Cyber RegScout, BreachRx's award-winning team is the first to enable businesses to cover the full spectrum of incident response obligations they face and strengthen their cyber readiness and resilience. For more information on BreachRx, visit breachrx.com and on LinkedIn at BreachRx. Need help determining regulatory requirements for your business? Leverage BreachRx Cyber RegScout and automate your analysis today. Get started today at breachrx.com.